Intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best car mods for performance in 2025. Whether you're a car enthusiast looking to squeeze out extra horsepower or someone who wants to make their vehicle stand out, these mods are for you. We'll cover everything from exterior changes to interior upgrades, performance tweaks, safety features, and what makes these mods unique. Let's get started. Exterior mods. When it comes to exterior mods for performance, the key is not just about aesthetics, but also functionality. Aerodynamic upgrades, such as front splitters, side skirts, and rear spoilers, play a crucial role in reducing drag and increasing downforce. Lowering your car with coilover suspension kits not only improves its stance, making it look more aggressive, but it also enhances handling by lowering the center of gravity. Add lightweight alloy wheels and performance tires to reduce weight and improve traction, ensuring that your car sticks to the road when you need it most. These mods can completely transform the way your car handles at high speeds while giving it that sleek, performance-ready look. Price. Now, let's talk about the price of these performance mods. Depending on the brand, type of mod, and your car's model, the cost can vary significantly. For example, basic performance mods like an upgraded cold air intake or exhaust system can range from $200 to $1,000. But when you're looking at more advanced mods like suspension upgrades, bigger turbochargers, or custom ECU remapping, you could be looking at anywhere between $1,500 and $5,000, or even more. While the upfront cost can be high, remember that these mods not only enhance the car's performance but also increase its resale value if you choose to sell it later on. It's all about investing in the long-term enjoyment and capability of your car. Interior mods. The interior of your car can be just as important as the exterior when it comes to performance. Upgrading your seats to racing-style bucket seats or installing a custom steering wheel can provide better comfort and control, especially when you're pushing your car to its limits. Upgraded pedal sets can improve throttle, brake, and clutch response, ensuring smoother transitions between gears. For those who love the tech side of performance, adding a performance gauge cluster or a digital display for real-time performance data can keep you informed of your car's output, like turbo pressure, exhaust gas temperature, or oil temperature, all while giving your cabin a modern, high-tech feel. These upgrades make your driving experience not just more efficient, but more enjoyable as well. Performance mods. Performance mods are where the magic happens. The heart of performance tuning often lies in engine and drivetrain mods. A turbocharger or supercharger can add a significant power boost to your car, sometimes increasing horsepower by up to 50% or more. Upgrading the exhaust system, such as adding a